Today topic is product to sum and sum to product. Some applications of trigonometric functions demand that product of trigonometric functions be written as sum or difference of a trigonometric functions. Recall the identities. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Number 3, cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Number 4, cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. In addition to take number 5, sin a cos b is equal to half into sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Number 6, cos a sin b is equal to 1 by 2 of sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Number 7, cos a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 of cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Number 8, sin a sin b is equal to 1 by 2 cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Ex number 3.6. Sum number 1. Express each of the following as sum or difference. Number 1. Sin 35 degree cos 28 degree. Sin 35 degree cos 28 degree is equal to multiply to divide by 2. There is no changes. So 2 sin 35 degree cos 28 degree into 1 by 2. We know that sin a cos b is equal to half into sin a cos b is equal to half into sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. We get 1 by 2 of sin 35 plus 28 plus sin of 35 minus 28. Half into 35 plus 28 is 63. So sin 63 degree plus 35 minus 28 is 7 degree. So sin 7 degree. Answer half into sin 63 degree plus sin 7 degree. Number 2, sin 4x cos 2x is equal to multiply to divide by 2. Half into sin 4x plus 2x plus sin 4x minus 2x. Half into 4x plus 2x is 6x, therefore sin 6x plus sin 4x minus 2x is sin 2x. Number 3, 2 sin 10 theta cos 2 theta. 2 sin 10 theta cos 2 theta is equal to sin 10 theta plus 2 theta plus sin 10 theta minus 2 theta is equal to sin 12 theta plus sin 8 theta. Question number 2, express each of the following as a product. Number 1, sin 75 degree minus sin 35 degree. We know that sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Sin 75 degree minus sin 35 degree is equal to 2 cos 75 plus 35 divided by 2 sin 75 minus 35 divided by 2. 75 plus 35 is 110 divided by 2. 110. So 2 cos 110 divided by 2 sin 75 minus 35 is 40 divided by 2. So sin 40 divided by 2. 2 cos 110 divided by 2 is 55 degree sin 20 degree. Number 2, cos 65 degree plus sin 15 degree. We know that cos a plus sin b is equal to 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2. Cos 65 plus sin 15 is equal to 2 cos 65 plus 15 divided by 2 cos 65 minus 15 divided by 2. 2 cos 65 plus 15 is 80 divided by 2. Cos 65 minus 15 is 50 divided by 2. So 2 cos 40 cos 50 divided by 2 is 25. Hence cos 65 plus sin 15 is equal to 2 cos 40 cos 25 degree. Sum number 3, show that sin 12 degree sin 48 degree sin 54 degree is equal to 1 by 8. We know that sin A sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. LHS is equal to sin 12 degree sin 48 degree sin 54 degree sin half into take first two sin 12 degree and sin 48 degree half into cos 12 minus 48 minus cos 12 plus 48 degree into 50 sin 54 is equal to 1 by 2 cos of 12 minus 48 is minus 36. So cos of minus 36 degree minus cos 12 plus 48 is 60 degree into sin 54 of into cos of minus theta. We know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Using the property cos minus 36 is cos positive 36 minus cos 60 into sin 54 of into cos 36. We know that cos 60 degree, the value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 into sin 54. Now 1 by 2 cos 36 is equal to sin 54 is equal to root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 is answer. So using the result 1 by 2 root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 minus half into sin 54 is same root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Now 1 by 2 take LCM of first bracket root 5 plus 1 multiply the second term numerator by and denominator by 2, we get root 5 plus 1 minus 2 whole divided by 4 into root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. 1 by 2 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 into root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Yep. Now 1 by 2 denominator 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 1 by 32 into root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 32 a plus b into a minus b model. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Using the formula we get root 5 whole square minus 1 square. 1 by 32 root 5 whole square is 5, 1 square is 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 divided by 32. 4 divided by 32 means 1 divided by 8. 1 by 8 is RHS. Next, sum number 4, show that cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 3 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 5 pi by 15, cos 6 pi by 15, cos 7 pi divided by 15 is equal to 1 divided by 1 to 8. LHS equal to cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 3 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 5 pi by 15, cos 6 pi divided by 15, cos 7 pi divided by 15 is equal to collect cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 7 pi by 15. Then next bracket cos 3 pi by 15 and cos 6 pi by 15. Remaining part cos pi by 15. The first bracket, second bracket as it is. The third bracket cos pi by 15. Pi 1 pi is pi, 3 pi are 15. Cos pi divided by 3. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60. Cos 60 is 1. The value of cos 60 is 1. Now cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 7 pi by 15 into cos 3 pi by 15, cos 6 pi by 15, cos pi divided by 3. Cos pi means 180. 180 by 3 is 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now first bracket, second bracket into 1 by 2. Next we have to take cos 7 pi divided by 15 is cos 8 pi by 15. Why? Cos 7 pi by 15 can be written in the form of cos pi minus 8 pi divided by 15. Take LCM. 15 pi minus 8 pi is 7 pi by 15. So cos 7 pi by 15 can be written in the form of cos of pi minus 8 pi by 15. So cos of pi minus 8 pi by 15 is minus cos 8 pi by 15. So cos 7 pi by 15 into minus cos 8 pi by 15. In this bracket, minus 1 is multiplied by the last term. So minus 1 into 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 into 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. The remaining part, cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15 into cos 3 pi by 15, cos 6 pi divided by 15 equal to minus 1 by 2 into the first bracket, cos A, cos 2A, cos 3A and so on. Then cos 2 to the power of n A is equal to sin 2 to the power of n of A divided by 2 to the power of n sin A. So in this case, sin 2 to the power of 4 pi divided by 6 whole divided by 2 to the power of 4 sin pi by 15. Using the formula, you get first bracket. Next, second bracket, sin 2 square into 3 pi divided by 15 whole divided by 2 square sin 3 pi by 15 using the formula. Minus 1 by 2 into sin 2 to the power of 4 means 16. Sin 16 pi divided by 15 divided by 2 to the power of 4 is 16 sin pi by 15. Second bracket, sin 2 to the power of 4 is 2 to the power of 2 is 4 3s are 12 pi divided by 15 sin 12 pi divided by 15 4 divided by 2 square is 4 sin 3 pi divided by 15. Now minus 1 by 2 sin 16 pi divided by 15 means 5 plus 5 by 15 whole divided by 16 sin pi divided by 15. Sin 12 pi by 15 can be written in the form of sin pi minus 3 pi by 15 whole divided by 4 sin 3 pi by 15. Sin of 180 plus some theta is minus sin theta. So in this case, minus sin theta is pi divided by 15. So minus sin pi by 15. Sin 180 minus 3 pi by 15 is sin of 3 pi by 15. Sin of 3 pi by 15. Now sin pi by 15, denominator sin pi by 15 cancel. In this case, sin 3 by 15, sin 3 by 15 cancel. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 divided by 16 into 1 by 4. Minus of minus positive 1 divided by 4 2s are 8, 8 16s are 128 or 4 16s are 64, 64 2s are 18. Okay, is RHS. Next, sum number 5. So that sin 8x cos x minus sin 6x cos 3x whole divided by cos 2x cos x minus sin 3x sin 4x is equal to tan 2x. Take LHS. Sin 8x cos x minus sin 6x cos 3x whole divided by cos 2x cos x minus sin 3x sin 4x is equal to half into multiply 2 divide by 2. The same situation, multiply 2 divide by 2. Denominator multiply 2 divide by 2. In this case, multiply by 2 divide by 2. Now 1 by 2. 2 sin 8x cos x is sin 9x plus sin 7x sin c plus d sin c minus d minus 2 sin 6x cos 3x is sin 9x plus sin 3x. Denominator 1 by 2 into 2 cos 2x cos x is cos 3x plus cos x minus 1 by 2 into 2 sin 3x sin 4x is cos x minus cos 7x. Numerator half is common, sin 9x sin 7x minus sin 9x minus sin 3x whole divided by 1 by 2 into cos 3x plus cos x minus cos x plus cos 7x. Now numerator sin 9x minus sin 9x cancel. Denominator cos x minus cos x is cancelled. 1 by 2. Denominator 1 by 2 cancel. The remaining part sin 7x minus sin 3x whole divided by cos 3x plus cos 7x. Using sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. We get 2 cos 7x plus 3x divided by 2 sin 7x minus 3x divided by 2 whole divided by 2 cos 7x plus 3x divided by 2 cos 7x minus 3x divided by 2. 2 cancel. 7x plus 3x is 10x, 10x divided by 2. 7x minus 3x is 4x, 4x divided by 2. Denominator 7x plus 3x divided by 2, 10x by 2, 4x by 2. 10x by 2 is 5x, so cos 5x. 4x divided by 2 is 2x, sin 2x. Whole divided by cos 5x, cos 2x. Cos 5x cancel. We get sin 2x divided by cos 2x. Sin x divided by cos x means tan x. Sin 2x divided by cos 2x means tan 2x. Is RHS, hence the proof. Sum number 7. Prove that sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x is equal to sin 2x into 1 plus 2 cos x. Let us take LHS sin x sin 3x plus sin 2x. Take first 2 is equal to 2 sin x plus 3x divided by 2 cos x minus 3x divided by 2. Using the formula sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. Now 2 into x plus 3x is 4x divided by 2. Here cos x minus 3x is minus 2x divided by 2. 2 cancel, minus x. Here 4x divided by 2 is 2x. So 2 sin 2x cos minus x plus sin 2x. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Therefore 2 sin 2x into cos x plus sin common sin 2x. Remaining part 2 cos x plus 1 sin 2x plus sin 2x into 2 cos x plus 1 can be written in the form of addition operation. Therefore 1 plus 2 cos x. Sin 2x 1 plus 2 cos x is RHS. Hence the today homework EX number 3.6, sum number 1, subdivision number 4 and 5, sum number 2, subdivision number 3 and 4, and sum number 6. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.